a part of Swachh Bharat, Goa Shipyard is going to be adopting this road from the Vasco railway station junction till the airport junction. So we have already sorted out a plan, for the annual plan, by which we have earmarked certain funds for this maintenance, and we'll be putting our labor and our vehicle, and we'll be cleaning the entire road area. It will be free from plastic, it will be free from wild growth and everything. Plus we are also going to be painting the pavements and the curb walls along the road just to beautify the area. So we'll be using our own paint, we'll be using our own labor, painters and everything, and we hope that this entire area from the Vasco railway station junction till the airport junction looks clean and tidy. And I am also thankful to Mr. Pritesh Konkar, who has lent us the support in terms of the vehicle from MMC, the water and other things. And with his help, probably we'll be able to enhance the beautification of Vasco.
आमच्या म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन तितले लेबर आनी ट्रक ना म्हणटकीर हांवें शिपयार्डाक रिक्वेस्ट केलें की आमकां चिकालीम टू एअरपोर्ट म्हणल्यार रोड क्लीन करून दिवचो म्हणून आनी डिवायडर पेंट करून दिवचें म्हणून आनी आयज म्हाज्या रिक्वेस्टा प्रमाणे शिपयार्डान हे इनिशिएटीव घेतले आहा आनी हांवें हें काम स्टार्ट केल्लें आहा. विथीन 2-3 days दीस वील बी कंप्लीटेड. आतां हो एक मेन रोड आसा. एअरपोर्टल्यान भायर सरले की सगळे टुरिस्ट ह्यावटेन येता म्हणटकीर हो करपाचो सामको गरजेचो आसलो. गव्हर्मेंटानी हाजेर तितली इंट्रस्ट दिवना. हांगा पायपो डंप केल्ली आसा ती काडून मेन रोडार ह्या निवळ आसपाक ब्युटिफिकेशन जावना. तरी हांवें शिपयार्डा कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करून ह्या आयज करपाचें थारायलें.